Hi, welcome to Nature Storytime. I'm Audrey from the Newfound Lake Region Association, and today I will be reading Winter Bees and Other Poems of the Cold right here at Grey Rocks Conservation Area. Snake's Lullaby. Brother, sister, flick your tongue and taste the flakes of autumn sun. Use these last few hours of gold to travel toward the cold. Before your coils grow stiff and dull, your heartbeat slows to winter's lull. Seek the sink of sheltered stones that safely cradle sleeping bones. Brother, sister, find the ways back to the deep and tranquil bays, and round each other twist and fold to weave a heavy cloak of cold. Snowflake wakes. Snowflake wakes, whirling, arms outstretched, lace sprouting from fingertips, leaps, laughing, in a dizzy cloud, a pinwheel gathering glitter, drops into air, suddenly soft and full, a lattice of stars spinning silently, drifts down, touching and tickling, clinging and clumping, hugs earth, sighs and settles, sleeps, tucked in its own blanket. Big brown moose. I'm a big brown moose. I'm a rascally moose. I'm a moose with a tough shaggy hide, and I kick and I prance in a long-legged dance with my moose mama close by my side. I shrug off the cold and I sneeze at the wind, and I swivel my ears in the snow, and I tramp and I trot over forest and swamp, 'cause there's nowhere a moose cannot go. I'm a big brown moose, I'm a ravenous moose, and I hunt for the willow and yew. With a snort and a crunch, I rip off each bunch, and I chew and I chew and I chew. When together we slump in a comfortable clump, my mountainous mama and I give her a nuzzle, a velvety muzzle, our frosty breath drifts to the sky. I'm a big brown moose, I'm a slumberous moose, I'm a moose with a warm snuggly hide, and I bask in the moon as the coyotes croon with my moose mama close by my side. Winter Bees. We are an ancient tribe, a hardy scrum, born with eyelash legs and tinsel wings. We are nothing on our own. Together we are one. We are nothing on our own. Together we are one. We scaled 1,000,000 blooms to reap the summer's glow. Now in the merciless cold we share each morsel of heat, each honeyed comb. We cram to a sizzling ball to warm our queen, our heart, our home. Alone we would falter and drop, a dot on the canvas of snow. Together we boil, we teem, we hum. Deep in the winter hive we burn like a golden sun. Under ice. In the fat white wigwam made of ripped chips and thrashing twigs is a heart of fur, curled and cozy, far beneath the winter sunshine. Made of ripped chips and thrashing twigs, it gathers silence now, beneath the winter sunshine, under ice, under snow. It gathers silence now, but in the dim oval room, under ice, under snow, strong brown bullets dive. In the dim oval room they groom, snack, kiss. Strong brown bullets that dive in the under ice world. They groom, snack, kiss. A heart of fur, curled and cozy in the under ice world of the fat white wigwam. That's just a selection of some of the poems from this book, which you can check out at the Minot-Sleeper Library in Bristol. And now I will show you how to make a pine cone bird feeder so that you can see some of the animals in winter yourself. All right, I'm here with my helper Sterling, and we're going to be making the pine cone bird feeder. You can pick up these packages if you haven't already, again at the Minot-Sleeper Library. They were put together by the Slim Baker Foundation. Let's get out our supplies. Can you unfold the directions for us? What's the first step? All right. It says what to do. Loop the string under the top scales of the pine cone and tie it in a knot. And we'll make a loop so that we can hang it on a branch when we're done. Next step, we're going to coat it with peanut butter. Okay, now here's my favorite part. You take your bird seed. And what do you do next?
Sprinkle the bird seed on.
I'm going to coat it really well in seeds. There we are. Now what kind of animals do you think will come enjoy the seeds on this feeder?
Birds.
Birds, maybe some squirrels too.
Squirrels.
Do you want to find a place to hang it? Thanks for joining us at our Nature Storytime.